Hello to all lovely viewers, this is Isha Bhandari and you are watching Vocal News. The big news that's coming in is that Pfizer's oral antiviral COVID-19 pill was approved by the US Food and Drug Administration on Wednesday for at-risk people aged 12 and up, making this the first at-home therapy for the coronavirus and a potentially key tool in the fight against the fast-spreading Omicron form. Pfizer's antiviral regimen, Paxlovid, was 90% successful in reducing hospitalization and fatalities in patients at high risk of severe illness, according to data from a clinical trial. According to Pfizer, recent lab data indicates that the medication is still effective against Omicron. This permission gives us a new tool to battle COVID-19 at a critical time in the pandemic as new variants spring up, and hopes to make antiviral treatment more approachable to patients at high risk of progression to severe COVID-19, stated the director of the US Food and Drug Administration Center for Evaluation and Research. Now, Pfizer said it was ready to begin timely delivery of the treatment in the United States with a two-drug regimen that includes a new medicine and an older antiviral called Ritonavir, and it increased its production projections for 2022 to 120 million courses from 80 million. From 80 million, it went up to 120 million. You can see the difference. The move was made as the country fights a COVID-19 outbreak caused by the Omicron variant, as we all know, with US President Joe Biden declaring plans for new federal vaccination and testing locations. Now, the government of the United States has purchased 10 million courses of the Pfizer medication at a cost of $530 each course. The oral medicine has been approved for emergency use in adults and children, patients 12 years and above with mild to moderate COVID-19 who are at high risk of progressing to severe COVID-19, according to the report stated by the FDA. Now, the medicine is only accessible by prescription and should be started as soon as possible following a COVID-19 diagnosis and within 5 days of the onset of symptoms, according to the CDC. Now, these are some points which you need to, always keep in mind, that without prescription, nothing should be taken. The pills should be taken every 12 hours for 5 days, starting as soon as symptoms appear. The second medication, Ritonavir, is known to interact with a number of other prescription medications. According to Pfizer, this should be manageable and most patients should be able to reduce their other prescription doses while being treated with COVID-19. This is a great thing. Pfizer has stated that it intends to submit a new medicine application to the FDA in 2022 for complete regulatory approval. When compared to Pfizer's therapy, a rival tablet from Merck and company, which is now being reviewed by the FDA, has shown poorer efficacy. In a clinical trial of high-risk patients, Merck drug Molnupiravir reduced hospitalizations and deaths by around 30%. That's all. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.